of Nebraska Regent Elizabeth O'Connor is no longer employed with the Douglas County Attorney's Office after allegedly driving drunk and causing a crash in May. Yesterday, we gave you a first alert that O'Connor was facing criminal charges for allegedly crossing into oncoming traffic on Blondo Street, hitting another vehicle. A passenger in the car she's accused of hitting suffered serious injuries. Court documents show O'Connor allegedly had a blood alcohol level 4 times the legal limit to drive. In a statement today, the county attorney's office said O'Connor is no longer employed with them and thanked her for her service. Her next court appearance is set for next month.